In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Microsoft Teams. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can successfully link these powerful tools, improving your workflow and collaboration capabilities. Let's start our journey by heading over to the left navigation panel in your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Apps and then navigate to Explore More Apps. Doing this will bring up a variety of options and integrations available, and today our focus is on Microsoft Teams. Next, in the search bar, go ahead and type in Microsoft Teams for Jira and JSM. Once you see it, select it and proceed to install. This plugin is the key to bringing the two platforms together seamlessly. After the installation is complete, you'll want to click on Get Started. This option will guide you to the necessary settings to begin configuring your integration. Within these settings, find the Microsoft Teams section and click on Configure to set things up properly. In the configuration menu, you'll see multiple options available for integration. You can set up Microsoft Teams chats and channel conversations, automate Jira tasks, and more. The flexibility here empowers you to tailor the integration to suit your specific needs and streamline your team's communication. Next, glance over at the left panel once more. You're going to search for the Microsoft Teams for Jira section that you initially installed. Once found, click on General Settings. This area is crucial as it allows you to adjust and manage your integration preferences. Under the Microsoft Teams settings, you have the option to toggle the Quick Create area to either on or off. This feature determines how quickly you can initiate tasks from Microsoft Teams, adding a level of customization depending on how you prefer to operate. Moving forward, it's time to head to your project area in Jira. Open up a project and locate an issue you are working on. This is where the real magic happens because under the issue's name you'll see Apps. Click on it and choose Microsoft Teams from the list. At this point you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft 365 account. You should click on Login and sign in with your credentials. Ensuring you use the correct account is essential since it will be the one syncing all communications between Jira and Teams. Congratulations! You have now successfully integrated Jira with Microsoft Teams, making it easier for your team to collaborate, track progress, and stay updated in real time across both platforms. This setup not only unites task management with communication, but also enhances team productivity, fostering a robust work environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the integration process. Feel free to revisit any step if you need clarity or run into issues. Happy integrating!